Hello, I'm Will Young, better known as Farmer Will, and we're currently in Buckinghamshire where my family farm is. I'm sixth generation and what we've got on the farm is 1,500 sheep, so it's a livestock farm. They're not the only animals we have on the farm. We also have 6 alpacas, 6 goats and 2 donkeys. What a day in the life looks for me is completely different every day, and that's the great thing working with animals. They're unpredictable. I always love this time of year when we do lamb down and come into our busiest time. You're wanting all the sheep to be as happy and as healthy as possible, so the process of lambing, they can get up and get on with it themselves. So when we do get into lambing, the house is full. So the farmhouse is absolutely full, and the reason to that is because we get veterinary students in and they need to do 2 weeks of lambing for part of their course. It's a nice dynamic and a nice change, getting the vet students in the house. You know, everyone's in their own teams, everyone's working the same hours, and the hours are long, you know, it's dawn till dusk. You could be working 14, 15, 16-hour days. So it's really mentally and physically tough. However, you know, when the vet students do come in and we are in our little teams, we do help each other out, and it is just a really fun and great environment. The best job and the worst job on the farm actually do work hand in hand with one another. I absolutely love, and you do this every single day, is shepherding the sheep. It's a real fun time, and I think for me, because it's done at the start of the day, right in the morning, you get that fresh air in and it really does set you up nicely for the day. And the worst job on the farm is setting up. So one person would go off and shepherd the sheep, a nice happy job, and the other person would set up and, you know, struggle and get the hurdles and do the awkward tie-in.